this movie is very nationalistic. There's a feeling of Hindustan, and that feeling is there's a euphoria all over the country. So automatically my दिमाग goes to बेटी all the time. So बेटी के लिए क्या कर सकते हैं, क्या हो सकता है. तो जब बात की, they were very excited. सनी से और उनसे ऑफिस से बात की, he happily agreed in 1 second. So and then राखी का दिन है कल. So it just kind of fell into place, and he was very happy to be a part of the children coming and watching the show, because ये बच्चे वैसे अपने आप they can never go see a movie. They don't at the halls. So for them it's a very very big occasion, and for me it felt very nice that he agreed in a second.
बेटी फाउंडेशन नाइचे वी ऑलवेज सीन यू आर डूइंग ऑलवेज गुड वर्क. तो बेटी को आपने इतने साल नर्चर किया, आज उसको एक लेवल पे लेकर आए हो, कैसा रहा स्ट्रगल?
That's so sweet. Yes, बेटी 2006 में हमने लॉन्च की थी, और अब हो गए हैं आई थिंक 17-18 years. और जहाँ मौका मिलता है, ट्राई टू गेट दोज चिल्ड्रन आउट ऑफ द कंफर्ट जोन and into situations जो वो खाली पढ़ते और देखते हैं, you know, everywhere. And it's very different because उनमें से इतने बच्चे पढ़ चुके हैं, ग्रेजुएट हो चुके हैं, JW Merit में काम लगवा दिया है, D-Decor में काम लगवा दिया है, IOCs में काम लगवा दिया है, and those children today are earning so well compared to what they were or their families were. Families are getting out of that and moving ahead. So which is something I'm not going to stop, and wherever we can, we'll continue.
सनी जी के लिए आज सरप्राइज रहेगा ये इतने स्टूडेंट्स.
I don't think he knows कि 500 बच्चे अंदर बैठे हैं.
So what are you expecting in terms of taking it forward to next level?
It's just that बेटी की तरफ से जो भी कोई आप लोग सपोर्ट दे, लोग सपोर्ट देते हैं, फैमिली फ्रेंड्स देते हैं, it just helps a certain percentage बच्चे जो अपने लेवल से हायर एंड बेटर एजुकेशन से निकल सकते हैं, उतनी ही फैमिलीज प्रॉस्पर करती है. So I think it's something you can't explain. You have to just keep doing it. There's no such thing कि ये करना है, ये करना है. जैसे सपोर्ट आता है हम लोग कर ही जाते हैं. And today this is entertainment for them. School day है, कल राखी की छुट्टी है, तो आज इनको यहाँ लेके आए.
बेटी फाउंडेशन में what are the main things are you working on? Like issues तो बहुत सारे होते हैं.
Yes, I can't do it.
Medical, but then what are the main trying to
See,
focus on?
initially female feticide था, फिर medical था, but now it's education. I'm very clear about that. Education I've seen कितनी families को फर्क पड़ा है. एक बच्चा started at 22,000 a month, जो is a big thing. माँ बाप नहीं कमा रहे थे. Another one is 18,500 salaries. So it's very different जब आप उनको मिलते हो. They're learning English. They're moving on. They're doing computer sciences. So कल की date में lot of these children are at par with their ones around them. Why should they feel any different? So education is now my prime.
Education है तो फिर
Yes.
लाइफ उनकी आगे
बदल जाती है, families की बदल जाती है.
Definitely.
Yes.
Wish you all the best.
Thank you so much.
And one more thing, like Gadar has made everyone very proud, and you know it's a very happy moment at the box office also. And you being like a part of the industry for so many years, how happy are you feeling? Lots of
Very good. It's a fantastic feeling. He actually started. People are going to theaters now. जो अभी तक कहते थे थिएटर कौन जाता है, कौन देखता है, सिंगल स्क्रीन, मल्टीप्लेक्स. People are thronging. So that itself it means a lot more work for a lot more people. Everything boils down the line. So today people are benefiting by hordes. Thank you so much.